Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen where we make mouth-watering delicacy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this yummy and delicious carrot cake. If today is your first time of coming across this video, you're welcome. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first ingredient on my list is egg. I'll be using 4 eggs. I'll go ahead to crack this up in a clean bowl. The next ingredient I'll be using is brown sugar. In place of brown sugar, you can use white sugar or honey. Next, I'll go ahead to add some vanilla extract. Don't worry, I'll leave all the list of ingredients in the comment section. And then I'll go ahead to whisk this up. If you have a hand mixer or a hand whisk, you can go ahead to use that. Please do well to subscribe. Next thing I'll be doing is to add oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You can use butter as well. Then I will continue to whisk this up. Guys, if you are watching to this moment, thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe and share. Now I'll be assembling all the dry ingredients together. I'll be using 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Next, I'll add my baking powder. I will also go ahead to add some baking soda. And then I'll go ahead to add some salt. And thereafter, I'll be adding cinnamon powder. And I'll also be adding nutmeg powder. All these are optional if you don't have any of them. And then I'll go ahead to give everything a good mix. Thank you guys for watching up to this moment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Do well to subscribe. And go ahead to click your notification bell so that you will be the first person to receive any notification whenever I upload a new video. Now I will be assembling everything together. I'll be adding the dry ingredient into the wet ingredient batch by batch. And then I will continue to whisk this up until I have a good and pleasant batter. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you are new here, you're welcome. I promise you will love it here. In here, we'll make mouth-watering delicacy. Go ahead to subscribe, share, like, and thank you. After whisking everything, I'll go ahead to just use my silicone spatula to mix everything up. Now I'll be adding the carrot. This is my chopped carrot. I'll go ahead to add it into it, and then I will mix everything again. I'll be folding this in, and in, so that by the time I'm done, we'll have a beautiful batter. Now I'll be adding some chocolate chips. If you don't have chocolate chips, you can substitute it for raisin. If you don't have raisin, you can just go ahead to make your carrot cake like that. So I will continue to fold this in and in and in until everything is well incorporated. Next, I'll go ahead to add this into my baking pan. I will be adding this into the baking pan. I'll be using 2 baking pans because this one will not be enough for all the batter. So well, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Hope you are doing well. Hope you are doing fine. Hope everything is well with you. After that, I'll go ahead to add some blueberries. Guys, this blueberry took this cake to another level. If you don't have blueberries, you can still go ahead to make your cake like that. So I baked this cake in 180 degrees for more than 45 minutes. Guys, this cake was so delicious. It was so yummy. So I allowed it to cool down, and after that, I went ahead to place this on my chopping board, and then I went straight to chop this up. I chopped them, or I cut them into sizes by size, because I know I will be putting them inside the freezer. I'll just go ahead to slice this up and then put some inside my freezer for later use, because I and my family will not be able to consume everything once. Guys, look at the cake. It was so fluffy. The cake is fluffy. Look at it. It was so delicious. Can you see all the chocolate chips, the blueberries, everything? Everything was so good. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.